Samita Badola from Jagran Public School. In our previous lecture, we have already read about neighbors and neighborhood. In today's lecture, we will learn about the people who provide us services when we need them. They are called our helpers. So let's recap about the neighbors and neighborhood and then learn about helpers. The area around our house is our neighborhood. The people living near our house are our neighbors. Everybody needs a good neighborhood. Good neighbors help each other in times of need. They share each other's joys and sorrows. Neighbors celebrate festivals and special occasions together. Children of a neighborhood play together. As you know, children, we human beings are social animals. We depend on each other for our needs. Some people provide us services when we need them. They are called community helpers. So let's know about them. You all must know about this place. This is a school. School is a place where we learn so many things, and teachers help us to learn all these things. They teach us good manners. Our good manners show how we are. Let's know about some good manners we need to follow in school. We should not make noise in the class. We should not pick up and keep things belonging to other classmates. We should not bully any child. We should throw waste in the dustbin. Always wish your elders and be polite to everyone in the school. These are the some good manners which we learn in the school. I know you must recognize this place. This is a library where you get different kinds of book to read. And do you know who helps you here? Yes, librarian is the person who helps you when you ask for the help. I know you must recognize a person who is in a uniform. Yes, you are thinking right. He is a postman. You know, we post our letters in a post box where postman collects and take them to a post office. The post office send the letters to different places. This is the responsibility of a postman delivers these letters to us. Yes, this is a hospital. There are some people who take care of our health and safety. A doctor treats sick or injured people, and nurse helps a doctor in taking care of the patients. A big neighborhood has a police station. The police help us when we are in trouble. They guard our neighborhood and keep our lives and belongings safe. When there is a fire, we call the fire brigade. From the fire station, a fire engine carries firefighters, water, hose, and ladders to put out fires. Your parents must drive a car, scooter, scooty, and other vehicles. When they have any problem in their vehicle, where do they go? They must go to the garage where mechanic helps them. Do you know who is mechanic? A mechanic repairs motor vehicles. He uses screwdrivers, jack, and spanners to do his work. If your parents are health conscious, then you must have seen clay pot in your house during the summer. Your mother uses a pot to keep water in it. Do you know who makes these pots? Yes, you are right. A potter makes pots and other things with clay. He uses the potter's wheel to give shape to things. Have you ever gone to the market with your mother and observed from where does she buy fruits and vegetables? If you observe carefully, you must have seen she buys fruits and vegetables from a greengrocer. A greengrocer sells vegetables. He uses a weighing scale to measure the vegetables he sells. The greengrocer and other hawkers sells the fruits and vegetables which are grown by the farmer. The farmer sows seeds and plow the land to grow crops. He uses a plow and sickle. Do you know there are many people who help us in making our house? Amazon is one of them. Amazon lays the bricks and cements the walls, floor, and roof. He is an electrician. The electrician fits the electrical wires, lights, fans, and bulbs. He is a plumber. When you face any leakage problem in your home, you call him. A plumber fits the water pipes, sinks, and taps. He is a barber. He helps us to trim our long hair and make us look smart. Nowadays we easily get ready-made clothes from the market, but sometimes we like the fabric and we buy it. That time we need a tailor to stitch it. A tailor is a person who stitches and repairs clothes. A cobbler is a person who mends our shoes and sometimes he polishes our shoes when they get dirty. Sweeper is a person who cleans our surrounding. As we take bath to keep ourselves clean, in the same way it is very important to clean our surrounding to remain healthy. He is a gardener. The gardener makes the surrounding beautiful. He monitors the health of plants and greenscapes, watering and feeding plants, trimming trees and shrubs, fertilizing and mowing lawns, weeding gardens, and keeping green spaces and walkways clean from debris and litter. Children, I hope you remember about the recreation. Recreation means to enjoy or relax. We can do many things for recreation. We can go to the park, zoo, aquarium, or circus with our family and friends. There are many people who entertain us. A choreographer arranges and teaches the step in a dance. A person who performs dance is a dancer. A musician plays music. There are many other people. For example, clown. A clown wears funny clothes and performs funny acts to make people laugh. A magician performs magic tricks. An actor acts in a plays, movies, or television program to entertain us. Children, I hope you understand how community helpers are very important. They keep the community safe and healthy, make life better for the people in the community, and help the community function more efficiently. Other community helpers assist us in times of emergency, such as police officers, firefighters, and emergency medical technicians. It is our moral duty to respect community helpers. Children, thank you so much for watching this video and listen to me patiently. Now I know that you must respect all the community helpers for their services.